everyone. So we are at Akuto Bhayai and it's a 3-day exhibition that is presented by Cheers Lifestyle. बहुत सारा collection है and collection में क्या क्या है मैम?
So we have Rakhi and fashion pop-up. So we have Rakhis, we have jewelry, we have western wear, we have traditional wear, ethnic wear, also Lucknowi collection, something for coffee lovers, also मुखवास है हमारे पास. So बहुत सारी varieties है. It's a 3-day show, 5, 6 and 7, Saturday, Sunday and Monday.
And for more collection, swipe left. So if you're looking for something unique, just look at that kada. They have unique pieces of kada. इनके पास कश्मीरी ज्वेलरी में भी बहुत सारे options हैं, बहुत लाइट वेट options हैं. They have lovely collection of earrings. इनके पास ear cuffs के भी बहुत सुंदर collection है. And next up we have a stall that is offering some cute little bags along with, just look at that. Just look at that. Unique pieces अगर आपको चाहिए, you have to visit Akuto Bhayai. And we also have something in anti-tarnish jewelry, some bracelets, some more ear cuffs, interesting ear cuffs. Look at that piece. Just lovely.
Hello. So we are Shloka at Akuto Bhayai and these are linen cord sets.
Okay, lovely. Linen cord sets in
This is pure cotton dress.
Okay, alright.
It's a hand embroidery.
Alright, hand embroidered one pieces भी है इनके पास. This is hand painted.
Yes, this one is hand painted.
Lovely.
And this one is gingham with a alternate design.
Lovely. And they have a lot more other options as well. So please visit them at Akuto Bhayai. Next up we have some mukhwas. Just look at that. I think I can't stop looking at the variety that they are offering. A lot of collection. Seeds हैं इनके पास. बहुत सारा option है.
Hi, this is Bohote. We have western wear, like vacation wear like this.
Lovely.
Look
at that.
We have long party wear dresses like this.
Okay.
Linen dresses.
Okay.
We have
something
sizes and
linen.
color options in this.
Alright.
Long embroidery dresses. Colors are available.
Look at
Short dresses and spaghettis.
Lovely. And then we also have a brand that offers kurta sets, quad sets. Look
So we
at
have something in festive corsets.
Okay.
We have option in silk 3-piece dresses.
Alright.
Then we have option in 3 pieces mud cotton dresses.
Okay.
Then we have 2 pieces as well.
Alright. Okay. And next we have some more kurta sets. Lovely. Look at that color. Something in semi-festive wear. Something nice and breezy in cotton. Look at that.
Hello, so we are basically a coffee brand. We offer flavored coffees and we also have coffee accessories with us. Everything is buy one get one, so you can make a combo of anything and we'll adjust the price.
Okay, so everything is buy one get one. Okay, so what are the flavors?
We have 11 flavors of coffee. Our best selling is vanilla, espresso, mocha and hazelnut. And the new ones are orange, mango. You can try new flavors, cocoa, mint, raspberry. And in total we have 11 flavors.
Lovely.
Plus there are frothers as well. This is a coffee frother that you can use to froth your coffee. Plus glasses and tumblers and coffee sippers as well.
Okay, they have tumblers. Look at that. And they also have tumblers. Just look at that. Next up we have something for Raksha Bandhan. They have silver Rakhis. They have mother of pearls maybe Rakhi. Look at that. They have something for children. Look at that. How cute is that? And all these Rakhis are starting just at 10 rupees. Next we have something in western.
We have some tops, shorts.
Okay. Lovely. Look at that.
Tops pick anyone.
Okay. So these are all
Plus
trendy
size available
collection.
है.
Sizes भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. Okay, and next we have something in kurtas again, but a lovely collection of cotton that they have. Lovely, look at that. Something in patchwork अगर आपको चाहिए. Look at that. So this particular stall has unique neck pieces. Just look at that. Look at this cute elephant one. They also have something in box style. They also have half sleeves here. बहुत beautiful chokers भी हैं इनके पास. And next we have a brand जिनके पास बहुत सुंदर fusion jewelry है, along with some classy neck pieces. Just look at that. These are all chokers. These are all some amazing jewelry. And then we also have a stall जो आपको बहुत cute dainty neck pieces offer कर रहे हैं. Look at those. Each design is unique. Each design is very pretty, very beautiful. I think you can use it for your everyday routine life. Lovely collection. Next up we have a stall that is offering cute kids wear collection. Just look at that piece. Yes, next piece, ma'am. Lovely, look at that. These are chaniya cholis and some cute anarkalis as well. And then we have the Lucknowi collection. Just look at that. Something in black and white. Something
Short tops.
Short tops.
Lot of varieties in pants and
lot
plazos.
of varieties of pants and plazos. Just look at that.
Anarkalis
Classic white anarkalis.
and sets.
And they also have kurta sets. Okay, and then we have some more kurta sets as well. Look at that. Something in semi-festive, something जिसमें थोड़ा काम हुआ है. You can see the mannequin that has a lovely Indo-Western. They also have a lot of different varieties from kaftans to a lot of other collection, anarkalis and a lot more. So if you're looking for something trendy and comfortable, ये वाले स्टॉल पे आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी. यहाँ पे बॉटम वेयर है, शर्ट्स है. पिक एनी बॉटम फॉर 500, पिक एनी शॉर्ट्स फॉर 300. दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शन फॉर शर्ट्स एज वेल. शर्ट्स भी आपको कोई भी शर्ट 500 में मिल जाएंगी. दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वेराइटी फॉर बॉटम वेयर एज वेल. एंड नेक्स्ट वी हैव समथिंग इन quad sets. Yes sir, look at that. Lovely collection, pretty colors. Just look at that. White lovers and something in traditional as well.